Hello everyone, my name is Neza ramadhani with name 2510611061. Here I will explain about the profession of advocates, which is title advocate as independent law enforcement responsibility and silence. Slide 1. Definition. Advocate is a person whose profession is to provide legal service to the community. They act as defender, legal advisor, and companions in every legal process, whether criminal, civil, or administrative. Statute and responsibilities. An advocate not only serves in court, but also becomes a legal consultant outside the court. They must maintain integrity, objectivity, and confidentiality, as well as ensure that their every action is in line with applicable laws and the advocate's code of conduct. Strategy. Salary range of advocates in Indonesia. Advocates' income varies greatly depending on experience, reputation, work location, and type of case handle. Advocates who work in large firms or handle corporate cases usually have a much higher income than independent advocates. Slight aspect that support the advocate's profession. The advocate's profession demands communication skills, legal logic, and mental resilience. Their working work is dynamic between the courtroom, advice, and negotiation. Although full of pressure, this profession promises a prestigious and influential career for the community. Final side conclusion. Being an advocate is not just looking for a job, but a call to uphold justice in a world that is complex and full of legal dynamics. An advocate plays an important role in ensuring that people's rights are protected and legal system run fairly.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. Thank you for coming in today. How can I assist you?
Good morning, thank you for seeing me. I need some legal advice regarding a property dispute with my neighbor.
Of course. Can you please provide me with some details about the situation?
My neighbor and I have been having a dispute over the property line for some time now. I believe that he has encroached on my property and I want to take legal action.
I see. Have you spoken to your neighbor about this issue?
Yes, we have had several conversations, but we cannot seem to come to an agreement. I believe that legal action is the only option.
Okay. In that case, I will need to review the documents related to the property and conduct an investigation. We will need to file a lawsuit against your neighbor, and I can represent you in court.
That sounds good. How long do you think this process will take?
It depends on the complexity of the case and how quickly we can gather the necessary information. I will do my best to move the case forward as quickly as possible, but it could take several months to resolve.
Okay, I understand. How much will your services cost?
My fee structure is based on an hourly rate, and I will provide you with an estimate before we begin the work. We can discuss the details further in our next meeting.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I will be in touch with you soon to discuss the next steps.
That's all. I explained. Thank you for watching this video. If there are many mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you. See you again. Have a good day, guys.